and do not smoke or vape po inside the court's premises. Also sign the waiver po both for our players and our audiences that are here. Mag-iingat po tayo lahat. No waiver, no vape. Thank you so much. will be starting the match at exactly 11:45 a.m. Ayaw mo ba sa'kin pag may wala akong skirt? O ayaw mo sa'kin kasi ikaw as older? Di ko ba mabigay mga luho ko order? Manas na mo nga nung hawak kong reporters. Corridors, sinalita na tayo sa luho. Kung alam mo lang, hindi na ikulang mo. Hindi ka ako mabuha, umano sa'kin, gusto mo sa likod kahit ito pang maliit na kapagkita. Dahil nataramdaman ko, sana dinaramdaman mo kahit na anong pagsubuhan ako sa katawan mo. Este pangatawan na ito, baby, di ako makakita at di na basta makakaroon. Aking mapapawala, lahat ng mga hinahanap ko sa'yo na pagkuha. Baby, sana di mo ako maisan kabila. Kung alam mo lang, baby, ayaw na rin mapapawala. Lahat ng mga hinahanap ko sa'yo na pagkuha. Baby, sana di mo ako maisan kabila. Kung alam mo mag-girl, di ko ba naintindihan ang nararamdaman? Pagka yung nasa singit mo, lala ko palaman. Nawawala yung angas at tas akong palaman. Hanggang lang ulit na matumangat na naman. Nagpaglapo ka ko sa ko talaga lang. Huwag kang babalik na may busang walang laman. Huwag kang babalik na amoy galing ibigan. Tanggap kita, di ko lang maiwasang masaktan. Pagtulog na sa isip ko na may iba ka dyan. Kahit di mo na ako sagutin, pero huwag naman. Kaya parang inaanin mo lang ako. Kung hindi naman dyan. At gusto mo umabot, sana tuloy kinakasipan. Magandang tanghali, Mrs. Nook! Magandang tanghali, Magdalo! Woo! Get ready for some more valuable action coming right up, right here, right now. If earlier it's a fight between women, now we will witness our mighty men bring their A-game. It's a showdown between BU Invictus and SU Polaris. Wearing yellow shirts, put your hands together for BU Invictus. Starting off with jersey number 12, Arjen Bright Cristobal. Wearing jersey number 28, Christian Dave Viñas. Wearing jersey number 11, Joey Gomez-Seria. Wearing jersey number 29, Zaldi Legaspi. Wearing jersey number 19, John Elias Gales. Wearing jersey number 3, Joshua Gabriel Moahe. Wearing jersey number 1, Mac Hussein Sampayan. Wearing jersey number 15, Ian Jasper Eva. Wearing jersey number 16, Mark Leon Reyes. Wearing jersey number 6, Robel Brian Bicao. Wearing jersey number 8, Darin Duero. Wearing jersey number 9, Jeff Enriquez. Wearing jersey number 17, Joselito Carcuedas. Wearing jersey number 22, Jason Sabeniano. And last but certainly not the least, their team captain, wearing jersey number 27, Raven Concepcion. Starting off with jersey number 7, Idol Reyes. Wearing jersey number 2, Kenneth Namora. Wearing jersey number 3, Pauljan Napa. Wearing jersey number 4, Nico Matuto. Wearing jersey number 9, RJ Marquez. Wearing jersey number 10, Lance Yanes. Wearing jersey number 12, Jumel Canones. Wearing jersey number 14, John Paul Lunas. Wearing jersey number 15, Chandler Rapina. Wearing jersey number 16, June Sefre Montoya. Wearing jersey number 19, Junel Coral. Wearing jersey number 20, Pierre Louis Bayer. Wearing jersey number 26, Mel Nemesis Mardono. And last but certainly not the least, wearing jersey number 5, their team captain, Aaron Joshua Bautista. To be officially led by our national referee, Sherian Alvaran, and national referee, Kent Miranda. The court is set, the teams are ready. This is LZN Club 2025. Let the volleyball action begin! Woo! Wow, malalaki talaga. Titigas niyo naman. Gutom na ba kayo? Eh, di kumain kayo. Ayan na, nagsisimula na tayo mga kaibigan. First service goes to SU Polaris. And on the service line, Kenneth Namora. It's served. And the first point goes to SU Polaris with the service ace by Kenneth Namora. This time, yes, that's it. That was a free ball, but it's not over. Point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving, Namora. The good serve. Villas trying to this time. Good effort by SU Polaris, but this time the ball goes to BU Invictus. Score is now 2-1, still in favor of SU Polaris. Now serving Ian Jasper Eva. Namora with the receive, Corral sets in the middle, Bautista with a hit, block! And the point goes to BU Invictus. We are now tied to 2. That was our first kill block for today. Still serving Ian Jasper. Good receive this time, Corral sets hit. Good effort by the center, consumption of the hit, but it's outside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Score is now 3-2 now in favor of SU Polaris. Now serving their center, Corral. Consumption of the middle, but went out. Point goes to BU Invictus. We are now tied to 3. serving Vegas. Namora will receive, Corral sets it to Bautista. Bautista with a hit, and the point goes to SU Polaris. In his slide, Jasper Namora. Now serving team captain Bautista. Over the receive. Still serving team captain Bautista. See the Concepcion and nice try, but it's outside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Score is now 6-3, still in favor of SU Polaris. Lead is now at the lead. Still serving team captain number 5, Bautista. That's what we see. Reyes sets it over the middle, and Concepcion scores. Lead is now down to 2. Score is 6-4, still in favor of SU Polaris. Now serving Viñas. Jump serve received by Namora. Corral sets it in the back. Bautista, an offhand hit, but it goes out. Point goes to PU Invictus. Lead is now down to 1. Viñas still on the service line with another jump serve. Another good receive by Namora. Now 7, Viñas. Again, Reyes. The back door. Ever with a hit. Ball is still alive. Concepcion with a hit again. And the point goes to PU Invictus. Longest round so far, everyone. What a play there by both of our teams. Now the score is 9-6. Viñas still serving. Another jump serve. It went out. Point goes to SU Polaris. Now serving for SU Polaris, Maputo. This received. It's double gives a free ball. Bautista. Point received there. Namora gives a free ball. Cristobal. They receive Concepcion with a hit, and the point goes to PU Invictus. We're tied down to 7. Jump serve by Concepcion. Wow, the stand with Namora. Not over. I point out his Calason. Not over now, so don't touch. Point goes to PU Invictus. Now serving team captain Concepcion. Now pasado na service ace. Ay magbaba ng first. Wow. That's team captain Concepcion for you, everyone. Score is now 9-7. Now the lead is on Invictus. Your team captain still serving. The jump serve goes out. Point goes to SU Polaris. Now serving for SU Polaris, number 16. Concepcion with the receive. Reyes sets it. Pugales. Attack error. Point goes to SU Polaris. Now we're tied to 9. 16 still on service line. Sa kanya, it's received. Concepcion sets it to Eva. Eva with a hit. It's in. Down the line. Point goes to PU Invictus. Score is now 10-9. Now in favor of PU Invictus. And now on the service line, Elias Gales. Goes long, point goes to SU Polaris. We're tied to 10. Grabe, walang nagpapalaman. Serving for Polaris, number 7. Concepcion with the receive. Reyes sends it to Cristobal with a hit. And it goes in. And point goes to PU Invictus. Cross-court attack. Brought to you by Cristobal. And now serving for PU Invictus, Jan Cristobal. Received by the Polaris, Namora with a hit. Goes long, point goes to PU Invictus. Score is now 12-10 in favor of PU Invictus. Stop as still for service line. Corral sets it to Bautista. Bautista goes long. Point goes to PU Invictus. No touches there. Alright. Still serving, Cristobal. Outside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Ay, shot lane. Now serving for SU Polaris, Kenneth Namora. Service ace. Point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving Kenneth Namora. Corral sends it to Bautista in the middle. Well read by Cristobal. Being picked to slips a free ball. Corral with the dip. And now with the hit. He was there. Now matutulog sa screen. Starts press well. Vinyas in the middle. And after a long rally, point goes to PU Invictus. Medic. Medic. Score is now 14-12, still in favor of PU Invictus. Ingat po tayo, everyone. Substitution due to injury, 14 out for SU Polaris. Still serving Ian Jasper Eva. Sends it to Bautista in the middle. Goal was there, point goes to SU Polaris. Score is now 14-13 with only 1 point lead by PU Invictus. Now serving for SU Polaris to the center, Corral. Stop with the receive. Now ball, Concepcion, point goes to PU Invictus. Now serving for PU Invictus, Mark Reyes. Received by number 7, Corral sends it to Bautista. But it goes outside. Point goes to PU Invictus. Score is now 16-13 with a 3-point lead by PU Invictus. And still serving Mark Reyes. Corral sends it. With a soft touch, and the point goes to SU Polaris. The lead is down to 2. Now serving the team captain number 5, Ava Bautista. Cristobal will receive. Double contact violation committed by Reyes. Point goes to SU Polaris. Now a point for the lead is down to 1. Still serving number 5. It's received, pinabot the center, Gallus gives a free ball, SU Polaris, Bautista will receive. Corral sets it, 7, blocked! And the point goes to BU Invictus. Now serving for BU Invictus, Christian Villas, Johnson. And the service ace, point goes to BU Invictus. Still serving Villas. With another jump serve, Butch. Service error, point goes to SU Polaris. Lead is down to 2, score is 18-16. Serving number 14. Sabegnano with the receive. Concepcion sends it to Gallus in the middle. Gallus gives it to him. Reyes sends it to Cristobal. Cristobal gives a soft touch. Namora was there. Canones with a soft touch. Left touch. Point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving number 14. Eva will be received. Concepcion Ginagol. And service ace. Point goes to SU Polaris. We're now tied to 18. What a catch up there for SU Polaris. Still serving jersey number 14. Reyes sets it to the middle, Gallus gives a soft touch. Corral sets it to Namora, Namora with a hit. Blocked by Gallus, point goes to BU Invictus. Now serving team captain, jersey number 27, Concepcion. Service error, point goes to SU Polaris. We are tied to 19. Serving for SU Polaris, number 12, Canones. Concepcion with the receive. Reyes sets it to Gallus. Gallus gives it to the ball. Bautista with the receive. Corral sets it in the middle to number 7. Concepcion was there. Reyes sets it to Gallus, this time with the hit. And that's a point for BU Invictus. Now serving Eddie Gallus. Corral sets it to Namora. Namora gives a soft touch. Eva was there. Reyes sets it in the middle to Eva. And scores a point. Timeout for SU Polaris. Current score is 21-19 in favor of BU Invictus. And still serving for BU Invictus and Gallus. Good to see you. Delgado, para sa Invictus, point goes to them. The score is now 22-19. Still serving Andy Gallus for Pio Invictus. Broadcasting with the team, and that's an ace. Current score is 23-18. Still in favor of Pio Invictus. Another service ace, the Gallus. We are now at our set point number 1, 24-19. Time out for SU Polaris. Still serving early Gallus for Pio Invictus. We are on set point. Morales sets it. Number 7. Sabanian was there. Eva sets it in the middle. Cristobal gives a free ball. Morales sets it to number 7 again in the middle. Sabanian was there. Outside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Now serving for SU Polaris number 7. Gallus is received. Corral sends it in the middle to Bautista. Blocks. Ball still alive. And the point goes to Pio Invictus, and during the first set, an error was committed by SU Polaris. on our set 2, everyone. BU Invictus gets the first set. SU Polaris get the second one. That we will find out. First service was BU Invictus. Now serving Comisaria. Backs it to the other side. He just made a tip. Ball is still alive, but no one was there. Point goes to BU Invictus. Still serving for BU Invictus, Joey Comisaria. Drop serve. Service ace. Point goes to BU Invictus. Still serving for BU Invictus, Joey Comisaria. Corral sets it. Namora. And Namora scores a point for SU Polaris. Score is now 2-1, still in favor of BU Invictus. Now serving Kenneth Namora. Serving Villa sends it to Enrique. Not over, point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving Kenneth Namora. And the serve and receive. Villa sets it to Evra. Evra with a tip and scores a point for BU Invictus. Now serving Villas. Jump serve. Outside, point goes to SU Polaris. We're now tied to 3. Serving for SU Polaris, their center, Corral. Well received. Blocks, but the ball's still alive. Corral sends it to the middle. And the point goes to SU Polaris. Polaris now leads to 1, score is 4-3. Still serving number 19, Corral. Service error, point goes to BU Invictus. Evans with the free ball and scores a point. Sobrang Nikis. Still serving Jeff Enriquez. Service error, point goes for SU Polaris. So we are now tied to 5. Now serving their team captain, Aaron Bautista. Service ace. Just like that, SU Polaris leads by 1. Still serving number 5, Aaron Bautista. Another service ace. Score is now 7-5 in favor of SU Polaris. Now we see good one, Villa sets it in the middle. And the point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving team captain number 5, Bautista. After the receive, he just sets it to Evan this time. Bautista was there, ball is still alive. Lunas with the free ball. Now with the receive, he just sets it in the middle to Wahe. And no one was there, point goes to BU Invictus. Now serving for BU Invictus, Ian Jasper Eva. Jump serve, Pooch. Received. Corral sends it to Manones. Dug. The goal was there. 7 point goes to SU Polaris. Score is now 96 with a 3-point lead by SU Polaris. Now serving number 14, Lunas. Victor skips a free ball. Lunas was there. Namora. It's a free ball as well. On the line. No one was home for BU Invictus. Point goes to SU Polaris. The gap is getting bigger. We're now at a 4-point lead here by SU Polaris. Still serving number 14. Legaspi with the receive. Papaluin with Legaspi. And no one was there. Point goes to BU Invictus. We are down to 3-point lead here by SU Polaris. Serving for BU Invictus, Saldi Legaspi. Outside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Now serving for SU Polaris, Canones. Again will receive, Nina sends it. Noviceria, and Noviceria scores a point for BU Invictus. Serving for BU Invictus, Joshua Muwata. Outside. Back-to-back service error receiving for BU Invictus. Point goes to SU Polaris. Bob over. Point goes to SU Polaris. Still serving for jersey number 7. Last game, receiving the second. Continuous block. The ball is not over. Still serving number 7. Nina sets it in the middle, blocks. With the habon, gives a free ball. Corral sets it in the middle, but the ball is not over. Point goes to BU Invictus. SU Polaris with a 5-point lead. 11 with a drop serve. Inside, point goes to BU Invictus. We are now down to a 4-point lead. Score is 14-10. Still serving number 11, Jordy Guapisera. Outside, point goes to SU Polaris. Current score is 15-10, still in favor of SU Polaris. Nico's with a soft touch. Corral with the dump. Nico's did the save and scores a point for BU Invictus. The lead is back down to 4, 15-11. Venus with a serve. Lifting violation committed by SU Polaris. Point goes to BU Invictus. Still serving Venus. Serves the ace. Point goes to BU Invictus. Timeout for SU Polaris. And we're back to our ball game. Current score is 15-13, still in favor of SU Polaris. Venus still serving. Service error, point goes for SU Polaris. Now, on the service line, the serve will receive and Luna sets it to Eva. Eva with a hit, 7 was there. Luna sends it to Bautista, Bautista gives a free ball. Sarah was there, gives a free ball to Polaris. Cross sends it in the middle. Legaspi was there, but no one was back there for the Invictus. Point goes to SU Polaris. Score is now 17-13, still in favor of SU Polaris. Peñano is received. Service ace by number 19. Venus sets it in Legaspi with a tip and scores a point for BU Invictus. Lead is down to 4. And now serving for BU Invictus, Jeff Enriquez. Mario with the receive, and on this upset, gives a free ball. Venus sets it to Legaspi, Legaspi was blocked, and it's inside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Hello. May nakaiwan na po ng motor ng susi ng motor. May nakaiwan po ng susi ng motor, Birdsman, Gray. Andito po sa ating stage ang susi, pa-play na lang po. Now serving for SU Polaris, Bautista. Eva with a hit, and no one was there for SU Polaris. Point goes to BU Invictus. Score is 21-15, the 6-point lead by SU Polaris. Now serving Ian Jasper Eva. Bautista with the receive, Burrell sends it to Madonna. Bakit alam mo Canones? Time out for SU Polaris. We're back to our ball game. Now serving number 14 for SU Polaris. Service ace, point goes to Beer Invictus. We are 2 points away from SU Polaris claiming victory on this set. Still serving for SU Polaris number 13. And now see the Beer Invictus, Namora, in a hit, but it's not over. Point goes to Beer Invictus. Now serving is now the last. Sets it to number 7. Number 7 scores a point for SU Polaris. So we are now at our set point for SU Polaris. Habang kaya ng Beer Invictus. Now serving. Dead ball. Long ball. Outside, point goes to Beer Invictus. Now serving Joshua Muaho. Bautista will receive. Perhaps Sensei Rodriguez was blocked. And that's it for set number 2. Congratulations SU Polaris for winning the second set. We are going for a third set. We are back for our third set, BU Invictus versus SU Polaris. Now serving for SU Polaris, Kenneth Tamora. See Memphis Corbal, Eva sets it to Wire with a hit. Grace was there. Bautista goes long, point goes to BU Invictus. Now serving for BU Invictus, Ian Jasper Eva. Morales sets it to Bautista. Charles on the net. Concepcion. Knocked over. Point goes to SU Polaris. Serving for SU Polaris, Corral. They sets it in the middle. And SU Polaris failed to keep that one up. Point goes to BU Invictus. Score is now 2-1 in favor of Invictus. Serving for Invictus, Mark Reyes. Lamar will good receive. Bautista with the hit. Stepping back. Net touch daw po for BU Invictus. Point goes to SU Polaris. Serving, team captain number 5, Ewan Bautista. Wire sends it to Concepcion in the middle, not over. Point goes to SU Polaris. Now SU Polaris takes over the lead, 3-2. Bautista still serving. Wire with the receive, Reyes sends it to Gales, Gales with the hit. Good effort by SU Polaris, but now point goes to BU Invictus. So we are tied with 3. Serving for BU Invictus, Joshua Mual. Bautista with the receive, now sets it, number 7. Gales sets it to Concepcion, Concepcion with the hit, Bautista was there. Morales sends it, little back row. And he was there. There's a big hit. But no one was there. The BU Invictus. Point goes to SU Polaris. I have a glimpse of the ball. Save, was not over. Team captain number 27 on the serve. Down the line, point is the Pure Vinces. Service ace by team captain Concepcion. Still serving, 27. Hindi pa pumipito. Sino naman sa atin ng jump serve? Service with team captain Concepcion. Score is now 6-4. Time out for SU Polaris. And we're back to the ball game. Current score is 6-4, now in favor of BU Invictus. Still on the service line, jersey number 27, Raven Concepcion. Top serve. Sumabit sa net. Point goes to SU Polaris. Serving number 12, Magnano with the miss receive, and it's an ace for SU Polaris. We are tied to 6. Still serving number 12, Polaris. A good reception this time. Cristobal in the middle. Timing save, Bautista. Nomora sets it. Around the run, it's a free goal. And the ball goes in. Point goes to SU Polaris. Polaris takes over the lead. Score is 7-6. Outside, and we are tied to 7. Substitution by BU Invictus, 29 in, 19 out. Now supporting Zaldi Legaspi. Corral sets it in the middle. And SU Polaris scores a point with that one. Change court. Now serving for SU Polaris, number 7, Reyes. Legaspi with the receive. Reyes sets it to Concepcion. Concepcion in the hit. Dump by number 12. Namora gives a free ball to Damiano with the receive. Reyes sets it to Eva. Eva with the hit. And the bowling was there. Namora with the hit. Concepcion was there. Reyes gives a free ball. Corral sets it in the middle to Bautista. Concepcion was there. Eva gives a free ball. Nomora sets it to Bautista. Check. Outside. Point goes to SU Polaris. Score is now 9-7 in favor of SU Polaris. Shot to receive. Sabagana gives a free ball. Bautista gives it back. Started with a soft touch. Started in the middle. Bautista in the middle and scores a point for SU Polaris. The lead is up to 3. We are 5 points away. Substitution for BU Invictus, 12 out, 9 in. Reyes still on the service line. Service ace. Point goes to SU Polaris. Down to 3, scores 11-8, still in favor, SU Polaris. So this error, point goes to SU Polaris. We are 3 points away from ending this game with Polaris secure this win. Reyes sends it to Emma, Emma with a hit, blocked, ball still alive, Emma again, this time it's inside, the point goes to BU Invictus. Score is now 12-9. Now serving Mark Reyes. Bautista with a hit. Just like that, we are 2 points away. Ending this game, scores 30-9. Still in favor of SU Polaris. Rotation error. Rotation error committed by BU Invictus, point goes to SU Polaris. And we are at our match point, 14-9. Will SU Polaris do an upset here for BU Invictus? We'll find out. Serving Corral. And just like that, SU Polaris wins their match against BU Invictus. Congratulations SQ Polaris for winning the match. It's BU Invictus. What an upset.